Okay, your glycerine base can be slightly cloudy like this, or a bit color. It still doesn't stop your mint and pour. Okay, so let's get into it. You can get it more transparent than this depending on the oil you use. Okay, once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch my video if today is your first time. And for the returning subscribers, I say kudos to you. Thanks so much. Okay, today I will be looking into how to produce a transparent glycerine soap base. Yes, you heard me right. The one we can use for melt and pour. Okay, and then here I have my coconut oil. Here I have 200 grams of coconut oil. I've measured it. I have 200 grams of coconut oil. Okay, and then I'll be adding my stearic acid to it, and the stearic acid I have there is 50 grams. Okay, we will need this stearic acid to solidify, to make the oil strong. You know, coconut oil is a soft oil, and then of course, for it to solidify, it might need a stronger oil too. So we'll be using this stearic acid to in it. Okay, so I poured my stearic acid. The stearic acid is easier to melt in oil, and then that's why I'm pouring it, and I'll be melting it on heat, low heat. Okay, so and then what is the next thing I'm going to do? I'll be adding my glycerine there. I have my glycerine here, 150 grams of glycerine. So I add it there. Okay, and then I stir it together and put it on a double boiler. Okay, I'll be adding castor oil there. Adding castor oil there. Okay, you can see it's on the double boiler, so don't apply direct heat. Okay, so you can see it's already melting. When it is progress, you can see it's already melting. It has melted more than before. Okay, okay, we can see it's completely melted. Wow, and so transparent. So we can see that our oil is warm. Okay, so the next thing we'll be pouring is our caustic solution. So the oil is warm, so I will use it now. So I pour my light solution there, then I mix. Okay, you pour and mix. I'll use my stick. Okay, no problem. Let me still make sure it's properly mixed first. The next thing we will add to it is our ethanol. Add and mix. Add and mix it. If you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. Okay, do subscribe. Like it, please do like. The only way you can appreciate me is by liking my video. Like it, share it, and if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. That is the only way I will know if you're actually appreciating my work. Okay, so we mix it together, and And then at this time we pour our sugar syrup too. Okay, that's our sugar syrup. So I haven't done all this one now. We subject it to heat. Okay, you can see it now. It's clearing. You can see it. I put up the fire from it, so the water is enough to heat it. The water is hot enough to heat it. So we allow it to clear. Okay, let's be patient for it. I'll remove the fire so it doesn't begin to cook. I'll remove the fire. So let's allow it to. Okay, here is it. You can see it. So if you like, you can remove this or you leave it. Okay, we can pour it into our mold now. Okay, so you can use any mold. I will use a smaller one and then a bigger one too. Okay. Let's see the outcome of it. Let's see what we are going to have to avoid every possible bumps. Okay, this is the outcome. It's transparent from the finger. We can see the finger, the other side of it. Okay, you can see this.